then for your lateral leg, it must be 6 to 8 inches. 6 to 8 inches. So we'll start with 4-point gate, 3-point gate. So your 3-point gate has 3-gate pattern. So let's say, wala na itong sa inyong fully bearing, so we'll be tackling na siguro sa inyong partial and then your full non-weight bearing. So remember, sa inyong 3-point gate, yung mas dumduman ninyo 3-point gate, so na siya gate 3-point gate, di ba? 3 times ang siya. So it must be first advanced taki, crutch, followed by the leg. So muna siya. Standing for, when standing na, 2 inches ang distance sa inyong axilla to axillary bar. So this one will be your 3-point gate. So your 3-point gate is non-weight and then partial weight bearing. So partial weight bearing, the affected leg must be flexed, and then it will be at least 50%. Okay, kung man siya, affected na siya, the other is good leg. So 100% iyan nag-bear na weight. So 50% with bearing weight, 100%. So for your partial weight bearing, advance the crutch, followed by the affected leg, then good leg. Crutch, bad leg, then good leg. So 3-point gate, kapantay mo na ay 3, 1 siya, step back. 1, 2, 3. So di mo makalimutan na. So next is your non-weight bearing. So non-weight bearing, this is for patients having or is an amputated patient. So putol na non-weight bearing. So amputated na siya. Dahil na sa flex lang yun. Oo. Mga naputol na siguro diabetic or accident na. So first you have to advance your crutch. Crutch, then swing. Crutch, swing. Swing din yung affected leg ang may iba. Crutch. Crutch hands. Affected leg na. Una kita yun. Good leg. Crutch. Affected leg. Then good leg. So those are your gate patterns for your 3-point gate. So next is your 4-point gate. So